Hello, it's Donna and Tommy with The Healthier Dog. Today we're coming at you with a list of things that you can make homemade dog food out of. And this is not an exhaustive list, just to give you some ideas. So I've got beef, turkey, chicken, lamb, rabbit, and don't forget eggs. I wouldn't do hamburger all the time. If it's the best you can do, then I think it's better than kibble. Just buy the lean. And certainly drain the fat off. Some dogs are very susceptible to problems with a high-fat diet. And a list of vegetables and fruits. Yellow squash, zucchini, apples, blueberries, bananas, cabbage, carrots, broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, spinach, avocados, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and mushrooms. I do not give the peel on the sweet potatoes, and I wrote it out. Perhaps you can take a screenshot. These are the protein, and here's the veggies and fruit. And usually when I make a homemade meal, I'll do one of the proteins and 2 or 3 of the vegetables and or fruit. And the veggies and fruit are great snacks as well instead of dog biscuits. Dog biscuits are full of carbohydrates, and a dog does not have a carbohydrate need. So here's some good ideas to feed your dog, to make homemade dog food. And I would add in some salmon or sardines every other day, just an ounce or 2. And I like to add an egg in the morning. Sometimes I just do scrambled eggs and vegetables for breakfast because I'm making myself an egg and it's just easy and it gives them variety. So thanks for watching.